Project is called Solidpull, a platform for developers to earn money by contributing to open source. The problem basically is that there are a lot of people contributing to open source projects. I'll take you through some of them very soon. The problem is there's no easy way to incentivize or pay them. The whole payroll process is extremely complicated. There are complex payment procedures, and maintainers are incredibly busy to remember who to pay, handle their compliances, so on and so forth. The solution? Solidpull. It lets people sync their wallet addresses to their GitHub identity. And once that happens, as you contribute, you directly get paid into your Solana wallet. Why do we think this is only possible on Solana? Purely because of gas fees. I think it's the easiest way to dispense USDC today in the country. About Solidpull, you copy over your public wallet key, you sign up on our platform, you paste your public wallet key, and you claim your bounty that's linked to GitHub. We'll be going through a demo very soon. This is what the platform looks like eventually. As you contribute to the platform, your bounties aggregate, and you can claim your bounties either together or incrementally. Since the gas fees is so low, you can pretty much do it incrementally. The maintainers get a UI to track all of their repositories, to track how much money was made, to handle all compliances. And soon we'll be adding standard compliances for India at the very least, so that people can actually pay their taxes as well. The core of the product is a GitHub automation bot. It directly connects onto GitHub. It lets the maintainers simply merge a pull request, tag the pull request with some bounty, and the person who has contributed directly gets paid. This is a good example of the overall flow. As I come to this platform and create a pull request, the maintainer of the project can tag me with the bounty. And as soon as this pull request is merged, I can claim this bounty. We'll be seeing a demo very soon. And after talking to a bunch of maintainers who've been dispensing bounties like these, we've realized this is pretty decent product market fit. And we have a lot of contacts in the Indian developer community to at least handle the developer side. We do need to work a lot on getting more projects onboarded. That's a brief. Let's get into the demo. As you can see, Sargam is on maintainer.solidpull.xyz. This is where a maintainer comes. Now they can attach one or more repositories of theirs if they click on the plus button. After they install the Solana dispenser bot, they can select the repositories they want to give access to. Let's say I only want to give access to a certain repository. I can install the dispenser in that specific repo. That's all that the maintainer has to do. Now, let's say an external contributor comes and creates a pull request, like there's one created right now. This is the same one from the slides, I guess. Yes, that is. And as soon as you type bounty $40, let's say, and comment, since Sargam is a maintainer and the repo is already connected to a DevNet address right now, the money will be debited from Sargam's account and credited into an escrow. Now, Tanmay, who's the maintainer of this project, can go to the user facing side or the developer facing side, that's solidpull.xyz, sign up over here and go to their profile. Once they do, they can see there's a $20 bounty and then there's a $40 bounty that was just created. If they want, they can claim it once. If they're worried about gas fees, which usually isn't a problem, they can aggregate and then get all the money end of month. When they click on claim bounty, the money will be debited from the maintainer's wallet address or the escrow account in this case and credited into the contributor's address. That's a brief of it right now. The maintainer can also, track all of their repositories and see how much money they've paid to handle expenses at end of month. This is a brief. This specific pilot is already running on a few repositories. The goal is to scale this very heavily on the organization side. I think getting developers is much easier here because there are a lot of developers today. The supply side of getting more projects needs to be figured out, which will be our next goal. That's it. That's from Team Solidpull.